Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, you're gonna make popsicles just like me. This is the HM.
HM. And what is her name?
Just popsicle. This is the power I use.
Mm-hmm.
These are 3 powers. And
Is it any flavor?
Wait a minute, where's my other 2?
So, oh, that's looks lovely.
I know, I just worked hard on it.
Okay.
I didn't cut your notebook out. 100% mine.
How did you make it?
With paper.
Oh, did you use the colors?
Yes, I did.
Which colors?
I just used all the favorite colors. Then he saw another HM. He gets into it and disappears. Then he's in a different world. About pink, blue world.
Where is the blue and pink?
Then he's in purple and pink. Then he was here.
Here.
Yeah. Then he saw another button.
Okay.
And he pressed, and he disappeared again.
Oh, again.
Then he was in this back to normal world.
Hmm.
Then was the pocket. And he said, "Hello, what is your name?" Her name is Charmi. Then the 2 are best friends.
Oh, the end now.
No, then blueberry. Where's my orange line? And orange. They scripted the bad guys. I knew it. You were scripting me. Hiya! He was not genius. The 4 ice lollies live happily ever after.
Okay, let me
The end.
let me show all together. Show it all together.
Hello.
Say bye bye everyone.
Bye bye everyone.